Hey traders, it's Jeff with Simply Derivative, and here's the pre-market prep. Tuesday, November 27th, taking a look at the ES here, um, both on the 15-minute and the 240-minute. You can see we're down about 10.5 points right now. All the major markets are down at the moment. So is gold, so is crude oil. Crude's about to open up here in a minute. Um, you can see we just basically are chopping around. Yesterday, we rallied up overnight and then really had trouble pushing up higher through this 2675 area. You can see we sold off and then basically overnight have just sat in this range. Have this huge wick here all the way up to 84. Not really sure what that was about. That was, it looks like basically midnight that occurred, and it ran up into our level that we actually had marked off above 2684 right in here off of this 240. This is where price broke down, and we haven't been able to get back up to until this really random wick in the middle of the night. And so obviously we're not in front of the computer and couldn't take advantage of that, but nonetheless it was there. It's there, and so not really sure what that was about, but from the looks of it, we are just stuck in this range here from about 2680 now down to this 2630. Switching over to Thinkorswim, you can see daily charts of the major markets. Here's the Dow. We're attempting to double bottom. These were the lows back earlier in the year that we've bounced off of multiple times, and now we're trying to do it again. You can see the 50-day is coming down to the 200-day. We'll see what happens when that scenario plays out, but right now it looks like it's trying to double bottom. Take a look at the Russell RUT. Same situation, double bottoming, or trying to, but we already have the cross of the 50 over the 200. Not that that matters all that much, but just something to note because other traders are looking at it. Here's the SPX. Trying to double bottom here, back at the lows, staying above this 2600 area. And that's what S&P is trying to do, is double bottom. All the major markets are. Comp is a little messier than NASDAQ. Actually took out its low and then is rallied up, but still within the lows set back earlier in the year. So, like I said, all the major markets are trying to rally and hold these lows. We have the 50-day coming down to the 200 as we speak here on the NASDAQ. So we're going to see if this is actually going to produce a move back up, or if this is just simply, we're just making lower highs, lower lows, and consolidating before we break lower. And that's kind of what the scenario could be here on SPX. Coming up to the breakdown point up in here in this 2700 to 2740 area, possibly a little bit higher, and that may stall us out, and then we can continue down and make some new lows. Otherwise, we're going to head back up. We're going to take these highs out at 2820 and head towards 2880. But in the very short term, it looks like we're trying to bottom, double bottom, and so looking for buying opportunities is the right play. And for that, we got to go down to the 2640 area, just based off this 240-minute. There is a small level around the 2650 on this 15-minute as an opportunity, but that's really all that we have right now. Maybe we'll wait and see some levels form during the day, or we'll switch over to options and see if we could take advantage. If the market wants to hold and bounce higher, we can look for some plays that way. But that's it, guys. Check out the daily recap later. See how the day went. If you want to join us and trade alongside of us, visit us at simplyderivative.com. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media. Have a great day. Good luck trading, and we'll talk later. Take care.